Are you ready to take the leap and start or transform your hotel business? Whether you're an aspiring hotelier or a seasoned owner, the Hotel Owner's Roadmap Start, Manage, and Grow is your ultimate six-section course to help you build, operate, and scale a successful independent hotel. This course is packed with everything you need to succeed. In the first section, from the Vision to Reality, your guide to opening a hotel, you'll learn foundational steps like market research, site selection, and creating a unique hotel concept that attracts guests and stands out from competitors. And that's just the beginning. Each section after that dives deeper into critical areas such as Section 1, from the Vision to Reality, your guide to opening a hotel. Section 2, Mastering Hotel Operations and Financial Management. Section 3, Customer Service Excellence. Section 4, Building a Strong Team. Section 5, Perfecting Housekeeping and Maintenance. And Section 6, Creating a Powerful Marketing and Sales Strategy. Each section will be released monthly, and when you enroll to the full course, you'll gain exclusive access to bonus interviews with industry leaders like Dan Roberge from Maintenance Care, interior design specialist Stacy Garcia, Andy De Silva, the CEO and co-founder of Hotel Emporium, Bob Brown, aka the Dirt Whisperer, the foundation expert. We'll talk uniforms with Jim Snydecker of Stock Manufacturing, and Mark Ross Smith, the CEO and co-founder of Loyalty Data Co. This course doesn't just teach theory, it provides real-world strategies, tools, and templates to help you bring your hotel vision to life or to take your current property to the next level. Sign up today for the Hotel Owner's Roadmap, Start, Manage, and Grow. Whether you start with the first section or dive into the full series, you're taking a bold step toward building a thriving independent hotel. Click the link to join now.